Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Redmi A3. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teen and then click next. Now click add or create account for your child. And here you have to enter your child email. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click on more and accept. Now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. And here scroll down and click next. Then click next again, and here you can click instant family link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. Now click on review controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.